Destructible Sound Effects is an explosion of destructive forces, featuring 1,600 sound effects that batter, break, and burst their way through concrete, metal, and wood, crashing cars and crushing debris. We went on location to record 3 separate building demolitions so we could get up close and personal with the destruction. The Daily Planet TV show on Discovery Channel created a segment on how sound effects are made during one of our demolition sessions. The Destructibles mayhem continues with earthquakes, avalanches, and explosive devices. These broadcast wave files are provided in their original high-definition 24-bit 96K format on 2 DVD-ROMs with fully embedded metadata and a separate list of the complete content. Destructibles only from Sound Ideas.